Are you looking to manage your YouTube content effectively, like scheduling the videos and also gathering analytics like likes, views, comments, and any other stuff you want? This is a video for you guys who create YouTube content creators, and any other product owners as well who create a lot of videos for some particular stuff like what our service or anything. Okay, so yeah, this is Vishwanath from Vijay Tech Labs. We make automation videos and use cases. We discuss a lot of stuff in our community. Please join our community and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Okay, let's dive into the full video of the particular setup and automation. So here, let me introduce the tool. So I'm using AI table. That is an alternative to Airtable. So you can also use Airtable, and I think Notion as well. And also I'm using Public Connect for automation. That is an alternative to make.com, JPR, some other stuff. So what we are gonna do is like I have set up a database, a data sheet in Airtable, where I'm going to list out the videos in a table with some particular fields. So I have covered here video title, description, type of video like shorts or video, then publish date, publish time, views, URL, property ID that I'm mapping with the other data sheet, and length of the video in seconds, and the status of the video, scheduled or published, then likes, comments, time like when, and you can add whatever you need according to your requirement. So here this is how we are managing all the YouTube videos. So whenever we plan or schedule a video, we are going to add them here just like this. So what I'm adding is here is like I'm adding a property code actually. So as we are into Strika Realty, Strika Realty is one of our brand where we list out properties in particular towns, cities in Andhra Pradesh, India. So yeah, actually we are using that for our own business. So we list out the properties details in data sheet, and then we write the script that YouTube video work. And once it is ready, we also before that we schedule the video like when it should be published. Okay, so like in that case we are using this one. So property ID is like, so we are giving sequential property ID like 1 2 3 4 5 something like that. So and for example I'm giving 40, and also I want to publish this particular video on 13th. Okay, so it's a video is by default it can be shorts as well based upon the video length something, and then all this will be I'm leaving empty, and here I can select which property I'm linking to. So I'm searching in other data sheet with the relation, so I'm selecting this particular property, and then length of the video, and it is scheduled not published, and number of likes, everything will be blank. It can be, you can leave it as it is. So this is how I'm scheduling a new video for our YouTube channel. This is one manual thing we are doing, and this can be viewed in the calendar view. So what is published and what is scheduled, something like this. So I can see 40 video is scheduled for 13th like this. Okay, if it is already published also you can see with the name title. So this is how we are using this, and then let's dive into the automation part where we are going to update video title, description, whether it is a shorts or video, and also publish a time. Yeah, schedule time, date, and publish date and time can be different based upon the scenario. And views will be initially when it is published in 0, uh, and YouTube link, video link, and also length will be published, and then this will be updated as published, and this will be not updated because here we are using two workflows. One is whenever a new video is published on YouTube channel, we are going to update that stuff matching with this particular property ID in the database. And in the second workflow, we are grabbing the analytics, weekly analytics from the YouTube channel for each video, and updating the count here in the uh, appropriate columns. Yeah, and also we are working on some other automations related to this project that I will reveal soon. Okay, so meanwhile, let's get into this particular first automation, that is new video on YouTube. So here it is as 40. So what I do is like let's go to Pably Connect. Here we have this automation. So the trigger is new video in the channel with the video URL. So on this channel ID, actually whenever new uh, video is published, this will be triggered. This workflow will be triggered. So like this, here I'm catching up with this video. Okay, and in this video, as to run the automation, actually we are using particular code, that is property code in the title, just like this hash 40. So we will map this particular property code in the title column in the data sheet. Okay, so this is published, and then we are sending another request to YouTube to capture all the data of that particular video, because in the trigger actually we get very simple data, not so full data, like length of the video is not included here, for example. Okay, yes, length of the video is not included, and some other thumbnails as well not included. So we want that information, so we send another request by passing the video id, like this video id. So we get the stats, like full length details of the video, like this thumbnail, that stuff, and then these categories tags and category id as well, and then language. Thus this is the duration, like length of the video in seconds or minutes, like this 2D dimension, HD, something. So all this stuff. So we are using that step, and another step, we are converting the time, like duration mentioned in YouTube language, into our own like seconds. So for example, here uh, the duration is mentioned as pt 3m 54. Yes, this means this is 3 minutes and 54 seconds. So this we want to convert into uh, seconds, so we can do some calculation later on. Okay, so we are using code module in Pably Connect. We run some JavaScript function that converts this stuff into the seconds. So it is 234 seconds. Okay, and then we are formatting and splitting that stuff, and then we are searching a table record with this particular property id, whatever we have got in the title. Okay, so here we get the record id. Okay, a table record id, and then we are formatting that some stuff related to this date and time, that stuff. And at the end of the workflow, we are updating the a table record with the given data. So like title, text, um, and then video title. Okay, publish date and time, and then description, type video length, status published. Okay, all other will be anyway neglected. So we are doing this. So for example, here we are considering 40, right? So here we have given as 40, now it is displaying as 40. Let's see how it goes. So save and set test record. We have sent the request here. Okay, record does not exist. Okay, so okay, let's do some search. Yeah, I already deleted the record there. Okay, let me do the search again. Earlier record, now record date is changed, 656. So it should be updated here automatically, and we will send the subsequent request. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to update that this record. You can see here. Yes. So this is the video title and description updated to video, and this is published and views are 0, and the YouTube video link is also there, and yeah, everything else. This is changed to published from schedule, and these are all are left alone. So that will be updated during the weekly analytics automation. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, let's go to the another automation, that is weekly YouTube analytics. Okay, yeah, this is another workflow where actually we are collecting weekly analytics from YouTube and updating that in a table. So we have scheduled this for Sunday morning, 12 a.m. IST, according to our time zone. Okay, so it runs on every Sunday morning, 12 a.m. So we get what we are doing in the first step is like we get all the records of a table. All the records means from this particular data sheet or database. Okay, so we run through them one by one in the iterator, and then we get the video analytics, like video details for that particular YouTube video. Okay, then like we get the through the API request, so we get them here just like this. So what we need especially here is the all other stable. A few things can be changed. Okay, duration, dimension, these are all not changed, but the very few things are changed. That is view count, like count, and favorite count, comment count, like this, these four. So we need these four. So we want to update them. As of now we are updating three of them, 1 2 3 comment count in the data sheet. So we want to update three of them, so we are collecting these details and we are sending the same stuff in the API request like this. Okay, for this record, this is, as you can see, it is updated to 663 and 95 level likes. Earlier it is 658. Yes. So this is how it works, and actually we have built a dashboard for the same stuff, like with analytics. We want to we have set up a simple one like this, number of views and total views, this stuff. Okay, we can set up the other dashboard as well based upon requirements. So this is it, guys. So these are the two automations we have worked on, and also we're working on CRM stuff, and there is a lot of the other automations using AI table and Public Connect. Stay tuned. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our community for discussions on automation. Thank you so much.